Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy. Fine. Yes. As you see in the picture, we ordered some fresh fruits and veggies on Country Delight. We have always these orders delivered home fresh and with good quality. But this time we have got some rotten fruits and veggies. As you see in the picture, you can see the oranges that were rotten. Okay, coming to the point, whenever you get this sort of rotten fruits and veggies on Country Delight, you can go for refund. So pretty quick, we'll see how to get refund. But before we see the refund process, you can go check out the free membership to get free fruits and veggies. As you see in the picture, you can click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. Old and new users, please use this link to get free fruits, veggies by activating the membership. If you don't know how to activate the membership and place order on Country Delight, I'll provide a video in the description box you can check out. Now coming back to getting refund on Country Delight for your rotten fruits and veggies delivered home. As you see in the picture, once you go to Country Delight app, you'll find the screen appearing in this way. You can click on morning or instant delivery. Once you click, you got to click on more. After clicking on more, you see here order history. Click on order history. You can choose regular orders or instant orders on which you want the refund. I've chose here the instant orders. Now click on need help. Once you click on that, you see the support coming up for you. You got to chat here and answer these questions and how we assist you with this order. You see here you have got the options. According to your grievance, you can select the option. Here I have selected receive leaked, spilled, broken products. After that, it will be asked the question as to select the product. I'll select here orange because I've got some rotten oranges on my order. It'll ask you to select the product once again with the quantity, and you select it and click on proceed. Then click on add photos. Whatever photos you have taken of your rotten fruits or veggies of Country Delight, you have to upload here. You click on plus and see you get the option as upload from gallery or else upload from camera. You can choose either of the options. I've chose here upload from gallery because I've taken the pictures of the rotten oranges here. So I have selected. Please make sure whatever the damaged product you have got, you take those photos and upload over here. You can upload max 6 photos and click on submit photos. After clicking on that, you will see this question come up. Have you faced any issue with other product? Say yes if you've got any other issue. Otherwise no. That's it, done. Your complaint is registered with Country Delight and you will get refund into your wallet within 24 hours of time. If you don't get, you can write a mail as you see in the picture. You can write to info@countrydelight.in to the support team and they will respond immediately and you can have refund into your wallet. As you see in the picture, I've got refund. That's it all for today. Got any doubts? Ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.